Hey folks, it's Rob here from Fully Automated Solutions, and this is going to be part 3 of the quote generator I've been creating. Slightly dated, and I will show you it through from start to finish. So yeah, let's go into it. Now, previously, if you saw the other two videos, there's like a basic form that I created that doesn't really suit anybody. It just allows you to enter one item, one quantity, one possible job, or a worker, such as one set of hours and one hourly pay. So with this form, what I have done, I have managed to create a more thought out sort of form that separates the client information, the project details, as well as the supplier equipment, materials, labour, and additional costs. Now, what you might have found or seen here is the fact that now we can add multiple suppliers and the multiple equipment that might be used, as well as multiple materials, again, with different quantities and different unit prices, and labour costs as well. So labourers, so you can whatever team that you've got in there doing your jobs as well. So yeah, that's the big change, as well as obviously the layout and the submission quote request. So it's very much more, it's more clearer, it's more thought out, and also, as you'll see when it goes through, it'll go through end-to-end testing as well. So if you bear with me, what I'll do is also actually as well on the back end. If this is your thing, I have taken out the form submission and replaced it with a webhook. I have got a test URL in there from my form, and from there I'm able to basically pull that information from the form onto my code generator and then go from end to end. And then basically that's where the magic happens. So like I said, we'll do a full end-to-end sort of test today, and you'll see for yourself how it works. So let's go. So these are just basic test bits information to fill out, and also this is another option. Now we've got a drop down and a list of values that you can pick. We can obviously custom that to anybody's design, tailored taste. We can do that, but just for this scenario, we'll pick a roof repair and then a brief description of that roof repair. So hey folks, so I am just going to speed this part up, and as you can see, it's just me filling out a form, but it is so much better than my last attempt at the form. You're able to pick out multiple suppliers, multiple material types plus quantities, and the unit price, as well as the labour costs and hourly rate as well. So yeah, like I said, sped this up and saved you the hassle of listening to me. You failed. What has happened to you? Is this why it's not running? Maybe. Let's try again. What's going on? Oh, here we go. So it's submitted, like here. Just looking a minute ago. Add request, check parameters. Oh, here we go. Doesn't like equipment hire or supplier. So what we do? I'm going to put you over here. Supplier. I know what I've done. I've had to amend this expression here so it looks, well, I'll add every piece of equipment hire from my drop down. So I've just went in briefly and just amended that. So we'll add any equipment hire that comes in, regardless of what comes in and how many, as well as the supplier as well. We're doing a bit of test actually. So let's execute this. Oh, it's still not liking something. What's it liking? What are you not liking? I'm not liking the sim. What's going on? Do handy what's going on there? What's this for? What specifically does it not like? Wires and copper.wire. Ah, I've not put that in there. Did I? Let's see, what's that? Materials and tiles. Okay. So can we make sure the project type is the project type? Okay, oh, are we spacing out? We want to be spacing out to work. Doesn't like that. No, it does not like that. on this. There we go. Boom. So yes. Okay, so let's run it back again. And you press OK. So we go into Telegram. Like before, we went into Telegram, and now we've sent this through. It's got the project information. You've got the material cost supplier. You've got the labour costs, the labour type, the team size, total, hours worked, total, hourly rate, and then the labour costs. And that seems a bit steep. How's that? After a wee bit off there, I think. Anyway, I need to check that. But yeah, you get the gist of it. So miscellaneous equipment and equipment hire, you've got the scaffolding, you've got your fees, your costs, and your transport, and your total costs here. And like before, you've got your net total, VAT, as well as your gross total, so you can decline, or you've got the option to approve. So today we will tempt it forward, and now we can go into here. And we go back into here, and yeah, Trevor Francis has been added. So as you can see, I've done a bit of testing before. I am kind of just going through the testing ad hoc, but yeah, as you can see, all information that we gathered from that form is here and generated as well. So from there, I'll show you the next steps, which will be the proposal that we would potentially send to a client automatically without you having to draw it up. All you will need to do from this proposal is actually just approve. So the point of this proposal will be to get all that information, assemble it in a presentable way for you to then approve to then send to your client. So I'll quickly show you. So from this creation of the table, what should happen is this will get triggered. I'll search the table, I'll go through each record, and it's because it's got pinned information from the previous test. So let's pin this actually. And yeah, let's execute. Very exciting life of workflow polymer specialist. Oh, my battery's gonna die. Hopefully this will work. And we then cycle through again. Oopsie, silly me. Hopefully this actually works. Let's charge in. So we're charging, right, okay, so here we go. I need to check on that router chat, why is that 10? Again, for the purposes of this presentation, this is not going to show. Okay, so the workflow's done. I will go into that, I just want to show you exactly how it gets sent through. So firstly, at the end of it, I've set up an additional column at the end of our database, CRM, however you want to call it, the proposal sent, so you can know for sure that it's been sent. And then into my inbox, we will see multiple proposals here ready for our viewership. Here we go. Okay, so which one's this one? Yeah, so here we go. So as you can see, it is a premium roofing installation project. The bottlenecks are the current roofing system requires replacement of significant upgrade. The client needs a reliable, durable roofing solution that ensures weather protection, structural integrity, and long-term value. Time-sensitive installation is crucial to prevent potential water damage and maintain property value. And then you see the aims and the goals, as well as the resources that will be used, and a brief breakdown of how much it'll cost and the amount of hours as well. We can also edit this as well. Like I said, this is for your approval, so this is not going directly to the client. This is coming to you first, and then for you to send out. Also, the phasing of the project as well. So you'll have this initial site assessment, removal of existing roofing, installation of wood roofing materials by our professional team, 40 hours of dedicated labour, ensuring precise placement, proper sealing, and quality craftsmanship. And then final phase 4, final inspection, quality assurance, and cycling up. And then we go down to the breakup of the bill as well, and how it's structured, as well as first half payment is due, and then the second half and final instalment, and then you get a thanks as well. So that is ready for you to send out. Also, I did this on Google Slides, which at the moment has a built-in AI function for Gemini that allows you to beautify the slide. So you can actually edit this. I will show you as well, make it a bit more presentable if that's what you want to do. Yeah, I'm not liking this. I don't know what's going on there. I'll probably change something. But my phone's going to die. So yeah, folks, this is exactly what that project's about at the moment, my quote generator. From this, I am looking to add a contract on the information I already have as well, so we're looking to build on that. Also, I'm going to be looking into potentially building my own CRM and going through that with you as well, just because that's got to be an added extra to something that we can sort of use and build up, and obviously pull the information that we gather into one central place. So that's all to come, but I'm just wanting to show you these beautifying. So we can just add this here, insert new slide, and then we can delete this if we want. And there you go. So you've got a lovely intro to your segment there. So yeah, I'm Rob.